Hey, what is going on, you guys? I'm Matt and I'm your expert on everything, both smartphone and photo. And in this video, I thought it would be fun if we unbox this together. I picked up the new Insta360 Go Ultra. I do also have the Insta360 Go 3S. I'm a big fan, so I'm curious to see what kind of improvements the new Go Ultra is gonna bring. So I'm gonna unbox it and give you guys a complete overview. Let's get into it. By the way, price on this guy is $449 in the US. Let's go ahead and slide this off. Actually, wait. Okay, it does have the new 1/1.28 inch sensor. We have 4K 60 now. Active HDR video. Okay, this is the contents of everything in the box. We're gonna go through this real quick. So the camera, the action pod, quick release safety card, easy clip, magnet pendant, USB-C cable, lens guard, quick start guide, and the warranty card. Also, this guy is compatible with Apple Find My. I believe they introduced that with the Insta360 Go 3S, and now they have it on this too, to where you can rely on Apple Find My in case you ever misplace it or lose it. You can see here it highlights the magnetic mount anywhere system, and it's waterproof as much as 33 feet. Okay, slide it up. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. Nice. So, okay, so immediately we have the action camera itself. Let's peel that off. Beautiful. Okay, we'll go over that more in just a sec. Let's check the box. Accessories. Okay. So here we have the upgraded pendant, similar to the ones on the previous Go models, but this one does have a upgraded, thicker strap. Other than that, it's very similar, and you can rotate it to adjust the angles. Pretty cool stuff. Type-C to Type-C cable. And here we've got the mounting clip. I believe that you can use this to clip it onto like your hat or a shirt, various things like that. It does articulate, nice solid separations and clicks. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, it's the little lanyard clip. Cool. Okay, and then we have arguably the coolest part of this. This is the action pod. Let's go ahead and toss it in like that. It should magnetize immediately. Boom. Here's how it looks size-wise compared to the 3S. What's up? Here they are side by side. One thing I noticed immediately, the action pod is a little bit larger, which is to be expected, but that also means we have a little bit larger screen. So that's nice. Okay, and this unit is different from the Go 3S's before in the fact that it doesn't have internal storage, it takes an SD card. So I'll go ahead and throw that in right now. Looks like it's gonna make me activate it first. I'll just do that. Okay, I just opened up the Insta360 app. It found it right away. Looks like it already has new firmware. I'm gonna go ahead and take a minute to update that. Okay, looks like it wants me to insert the SD card before I can install the new firmware. So let's click the release button, pull it out just like that. Looks like the latch is right here. Pull it out. Okay, push it all the way in, lock her up. Back in the action pod. Firmware updating. Yeah, so the action pod and the screen is definitely a good little bit bigger. The action pod overall though, I would say is still pretty small. I like the texture that it has on the side of this. This is really nice and soft and it feels really good, nice and soft. Also, while that's updating, we have the quick start guide, some Insta360 stickers, warranty card, and a safety guidelines booklet. Okay, now that I have the Go Ultra activated, it should let me use it as normal. Okay, last thing I wanted to give you guys a little bit closer look up at the camera itself. So it does have two connecting hooks on the side for the mount system Insta360 has. Looks like we have the microphone, the status icon, and the lens. Obviously it does come with a cover on top of it already, or a lens guard. And yeah, that's pretty much everything on that. I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know if you want me to do a full review on the Insta360 Go Ultra, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.